Hi, welcome to the Real Estate Market Watch and Mortgage Market Update. I'm Bob Gibbs.
And I'm Michael Karras.
And we're in the middle of September. It's fall.
Yeah, Giants are blowing it, but hey,
That's fine.
49ers are 3-0.
Yeah. I'm an Oakland Ballers fan.
Hey, there you go. Yeah,
champions.
we know somebody that the general manager of the Oakland Ballers.
Yeah, so there you go. I want to give you an update on the real estate market in the East Bay, and actually it goes out to the whole Bay Area as well, in terms of what's going on with Fed activities.
Yes.
And what's going on with home sales. So let's talk about the Fed a little bit.
Yeah, as expected, the Fed cut interest rates last Wednesday by 0.25%. Very telegraphed. What I want to focus on, letting everybody know, I immediately got calls saying, "Hey, Michael, rates are down 0.25% today. We saw the Fed cut rates earlier." And I said, no, rates came down 0.25% 2 weeks ago in anticipation. So the Fed cutting interest rates is not a direct correlation to mortgage rates immediately falling. However, the reasoning of what the Fed does in determining rate, if they're going to cut rates or raise rates, is based. The mortgage rates are based on those same reports. It's just the mortgage markets trade the news immediately. The Fed, which they did 2 weeks earlier. Well, the Fed has a scheduled meeting, so they had to wait until the meeting to cut the rate. So that's the one thing. So generally, if we know that there's going to be a cut, the market has already got it built in, anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes even up to a month, because it's so well telegraphed. And again, Wall Street, the financial markets, they trade immediately.
Right.
They don't wait for the Fed. So just wanted to clear that up. Unfortunately, we just cut interest rates 0.25%. And people are surprised. We're actually up an 1/8% since. So that should give you an indication that it is not a direct correlation.
There's evidence what you're saying.
Yes.
Yep. So we're in the real estate market. We're seeing actually the number of active listings on the market go down, and it's not necessarily because they're selling. We're seeing some sellers pulling their homes off the market because they've been on too long. We are seeing a lot of buyers who need to sell their home, but they don't want to sell their home until they find a home they want to buy. And they'll put offers in on a home, and it's contingent on their selling. And then the people that they're writing the home offer on, they're saying, forget it, I'm not going to wait for you to sell your home. And
and right now the market is slower for sellers. And so, a house, even a really nice house, has all the bells and whistles, still is taking 30 to 45 days to sell, or even more. So it's not an overnight thing like it would be in the past.
And I'm like a broken record on this, but I'm telling people there is a window right now for buyers, and I'm telling you, and I'm saying the same time frame I said last month, by 2026 spring, you may see a pretty strong seller's market coming back. And if you don't lock in something right now, you're going to be really upset with yourself.
Think about it. We expect rates to go down, mortgage rates further in the spring, or maybe sooner, but more than likely in the spring. And that means more buyers qualify. And so there's more competition. So
a lot more competition. There's not that many listings out there to meet that demand. So what we're going to see is another seller's market, prices going up, multiple offers. If you don't come to an open house with your checkbook, your chances of getting a home goes way down. So I'm telling you, I'm begging you, please, if you're a buyer, get something locked up now before the end of the year, and you'll be happy you did. So that's it for now. And reach out if you have any questions. And if you're thinking about buying and you need to sell a home first, call Michael, and he can take you through what a bridge loan looks like. And whether it would work for you or not, that's between you and Michael, but it is an option if you really need to make a move. So with that, thanks for watching.